short on cash, you can still buy an online business, even if you don't have the whole sum to buy your next digital asset. So stay with me until the end of this video and I'll show you how. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a business with somebody else's money. And that someone else's is the seller. Is that cool? This method is called seller financing. My name is Shlomo Freund and my channel is giving you passive income ideas by buying websites, digital asset, and online businesses. I publish a video once a week and break down an online business deal that I find interesting. I show you the good things, the bad things, growth hacks, easy wins, everything. So you know what to look at when you are buying your next digital assets. Over the years, I've seen thousands of those deals, and I also acquired several of those websites. So I'm here to help you do exactly the same. Also, make sure you're sticking with me until the end because I'm going to tell you why now is the best time to use seller financing than any other time. Let's jump in. Earlier in the video, I said I'm going to share with you a tip of how to acquire a website, even if you don't have all the money, how to finance that. Now, the obvious one is taking a loan, but you can't always get a loan for a digital asset. It is possible, but it's rather hard, and there are a few criterion for that. However, what you can do is something called seller financing. Seller financing means that you are telling the seller, I'm going to pay only part of the amount that we agreed on the website, and then the rest of the money will come from the revenue that the website is making going forward. And it can be for 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, whatever you guys agree on. And I'll give you an example. Let's say that you agreed on a price of $98,000 and you have only $50,000 of that amount to pay the seller. So you're going to tell the seller, I'm going to put up front $50,000, and at the next 2 years, the rest of the $48,000 will be paid for you in installment from the revenue of that website. So if you're taking the rest of the 48,000 out of that 98 and you divide them by 2,000, you get that over 24 months. So from the revenue of the website, $2,000 of the revenue from the website every month will go to the seller instead of coming into your pocket. But this is how you can put a lower amount upfront for buying the website. So instead of paying $98,000, you're mitigating the risk and you're paying only $50,000. That's 50% less. And definitely now when it's a buyer's market, sellers are more keen to have such deals because they want to sell. So they are more likely to agree to seller financing deals. So earlier in the video, I told you I'm going to share a tip with you of why now is the best time to use seller financing. So here's the market situation right now. Multipliers for websites have dropped significantly from around 35, 40x monthly profits to around 20, 25. This means that now websites are much, much cheaper. Not only this, but now sellers want to get rid of their digital assets because multipliers have gone down. So they are more keen to sell. Hence, when you are coming with a seller financing deal, they are more likely to agree. So this is the best time to jump on this opportunity. If you want to find deal review in a specific niche or a specific price point or a specific business model, I have a solution for you. Just here and on the description, you'll see a link to a whole library of videos that I made that you can filter, search, and find exactly what you need so you can learn and leverage your knowledge to buy your next digital asset faster and make more money. I'll see you on the next time. Cheers.